Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. What follows is my personal experience using the product service highlighted. Trezor, found at trezor.io, is a website dedicated to hardware wallets for cryptocurrency. These devices offer a heightened level of security for your digital assets by storing your private keys offline, protecting them from online threats like hacking and malware. Instead of relying on exchanges or software wallets that are connected to the internet, Trezor provides a physical, tangible device where your keys are kept safe. This makes it significantly more difficult for malicious actors to gain access to your cryptocurrency. The website provides in-depth information about the various Trezor models available, outlining their features and functionalities. You can explore the technical specifications, security protocols implemented, and supported cryptocurrencies for each device. Trezor also offers resources and guides to help users understand the importance of hardware wallets and how to properly set up and use their devices. Furthermore, the site likely includes customer support information, FAQs, and documentation to address any questions or concerns. The platform emphasizes the significance of owning your private keys and controlling your own funds, highlighting the non-custodial nature of Trezor wallets. This means that you, and only you, have access to your cryptocurrency. Trezor underscores the philosophy of self-sovereignty in the digital asset space, empowering users to take full responsibility for their financial security. The Trezor.io website serves as a comprehensive resource for individuals looking to enhance the security of their cryptocurrency holdings. By providing detailed product information, educational materials, and support resources, Trezor aims to equip users with the knowledge and tools necessary to protect their digital wealth in an increasingly complex and potentially risky online environment. They likely also highlight the benefits of open-source software and transparency in their operations, building trust with their user base. Finally, Trezor's website probably includes a blog or news section to keep users informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency security landscape and company updates. They might also offer community forums or social media links to foster engagement and connect with their customers.